June, and we're going to make new tomato plants today here at Grow Health TV. And what you do is you take a sucker just like this. See it right there? It's coming off the main stem. And there she is. So you take this sucker, cut it right off. Just like that. And you stick it in water. So what you want to do is remove these before you stick it in the water. Like this, see that? Now you just stick this sucker in the water. And depending on where you live, what zone, you do this in June, July, even August. Here it's June and July, zone 7. See the roots? Plant these after about a week, maybe 2 tops. Put them right in the ground and water them well. And here we go. A month later.